If you need to remove a device from your Telcel account, follow these simple steps to ensure the process is completed smoothly. Step 1. Access your Telcel account. Log into your Telcel account using the official website or mobile app. Make sure you have your login credentials ready. Step 2. Navigate to Device Management. Once logged in, look for the section labeled Device Management on My Devices. This is where you can view all devices linked to your account. Step 3. Select the device to remove. In the Device Management section, find and select the device you wish to remove. Click on it to access more details about that specific device. Step 4. Initiate the removal process. Look for an option that says Remove Device or Disconnect. Click on this option to begin the removal process. You may be prompted to confirm your choice. Step 5. Confirm removal. Follow any additional prompts to confirm the removal of the device. Once confirmed, you should receive a notification indicating that the device has been successfully removed from your account. By following these steps, you can easily remove a device from your Telcel account. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to Telcel customer support for assistance.